Click on the link below to get price. The MINISFORUM X1 Pro 370 mini PC equipped with the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 is an impressive compact computer that packs a powerful punch for its size. Designed for both casual users and professionals alike, this mini PC stands out with its sleek, modern design and robust performance capabilities. Upon unboxing, the first thing that strikes you is its build quality. The chassis feels solid and premium, ensuring durability while maintaining a lightweight profile. The compact size makes it easy to place in any workspace, and it can easily be hidden away if desired. Performance-wise, the AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 processor is a significant highlight. With its multi-core architecture and impressive clock speeds, it handles demanding applications with ease. Whether you're gaming, video editing, or multitasking with numerous applications open, this mini PC delivers smooth performance without noticeable lag. The integrated Radeon graphics also provide decent gaming capabilities, making it suitable for casual gaming. The connectivity options are extensive, featuring multiple USB ports, HDMI, and an Ethernet port, along with Wi-Fi 6 support for high-speed wireless connectivity. This makes it an excellent choice for users who need to connect various peripherals or require stable internet access for streaming or online gaming. Another noteworthy aspect is the cooling system. Despite its small size, the MINISFORUM X1 Pro 370 manages heat efficiently, thanks to its well-designed airflow. This not only prolongs the life of the internal components but also keeps noise levels to a minimum, allowing for a quieter working environment. In terms of storage, the mini PC offers ample options for expansion, catering to users with varying needs. It runs on Windows, providing a familiar interface for most users and compatible software options. Overall, the MINISFORUM X1 Pro 370 mini PC with AMD Ryzen AI 9 HX370 is a remarkable device that combines performance, efficiency, and versatility in a compact form factor. Whether for professional tasks, entertainment, or everyday computing, it proves to be a reliable and powerful choice.